McPherson.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 95 Matthew Flinders Drive in Cooee Bay.
Situated on a 488 metre square allotment, which is actually quite large for the Cooee Bay area, this dual living renovator is really one to inspect.
Come on in and take a look.
Absolutely obsessed with the potential on offer at this beachside home. Currently offering dual living, it would make for the perfect Airbnb. But my favourite thing about it absolutely has to be the location. The suburb of Cooee Bay has to be my absolute favourite here in Yeppoon. Not only is it within walking distance to town, local facilities like the swimming pool and Cedar Park shopping complex, you also have a gorgeous little fish and chip shop and Two Sisters Coffee just on your doorstep, not to mention the stunning Cooee Bay Beach.
So guys, that was 95 Matthew Flinders Drive in Cooee Bay. If you're looking for that family beach home right next to the coffee shop and only a metre's walk to the beach, please don't hesitate to call Anna and myself. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next one.